the KATC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Well, weather-wise, it's all going to be about the dew point as we head into the weekend, the increasing dew point. And as we look ahead into the weekend, going into next weekend, maybe for the next 4 months, it's going to be on the rise. Lately, we've been in the low to mid-60s at worst, so it's been rather comfortable, but we'll be heading to somewhere between the uncomfortable and the oppressive range, with dew points getting close to the mid-70s, I think, as we go into next week, and daytime highs pushing 90 as well. But in between, scattered showers and thunder showers in the forecast as we head into next week and this coming weekend, rather. So we'll talk more about that in just a bit. In fact, here's the next weather maker, one of several that's going to be coming in, dipping down, pushing a lot of rain and snow at elevation in California, and then engendering severe weather from Texas through the high plains as we head into Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and much of next week as well. But we won't see much in the way of severe weather, although I think we do get a chance of some thunderstorms Sunday, some of which could be strong. We'll show you the latest European model coming up in just a bit. Meanwhile, some strong storms up by the Dakotas, Minnesota, heavy rains this evening across portions of California, and snow at elevation. So more wet weather on the West Coast that has seen one of the wettest winters on record, now adding to that in the late spring. Meanwhile, locally, we have been enjoying fair skies, high pressure centered nearly over St. Landry Parish, allowing for quiet conditions. You can see all the river flood warnings across the region, but river levels slowly going down with the exception of the Atchafalaya and Mississippi. I'm going to talk a little bit more about that in just a bit. First off, though, high pressure still dominating through tomorrow. Should be a very nice day. Temperatures topping out in the upper 80s once again with partly cloudy skies in the afternoon. A few more clouds as we head into Friday, but still a nice day, and we should stay dry. So let's go over to the European model, and we'll show you storms busting out across Texas as we head into Saturday afternoon. For us, it's going to be breezy, maybe a few passing showers. We'll go 20 to 30% on the rain chances, maybe a little bit more. Some of these storms will try to push into Louisiana Saturday evening, night, and then they fall apart, and then another round of storms develops as we head into Sunday. So Saturday, 20, 30%, Saturday night, 40, 50%, Sunday, about 60% on your rain chances, but it doesn't look too terribly heavy nor severe. Few lingering showers into Monday, and there's more severe weather as we go into next week. Chance of storms maybe again as we head into next Wednesday, but a short-lived front that washes out, and we stay warm. And as that high pressure ridge off to the east spills westward toward the end of next week and following weekend, we might cool down at night, but during the day we're going to be heating up to the 90-degree mark. So rainfall wise, as we head into the weekend, not much locally expected at this point, but more towards central Louisiana, western Louisiana. But right now these are just preliminary numbers. We'll watch that trend, but look where all the heavy rains are going to be over the next 10 days. Red River into the Missouri River and the Mississippi River. That means the Atchafalaya and the Mississippi not only stay high for the next several weeks, but more than likely for the next several months, at least June, maybe July. That's the way it's shaping up at this point. A lot of water upstream. Temperatures tonight, very comfortable, low to mid-60s I-10 quarter, and then after that nice morning start, we'll get into the mid-80s for tomorrow afternoon. At heat index, a little bit up there, so a little bit of a hint that the humidity's on the rise. So pleasant evening overall, not quite as cool. Mid-60s the low in Lafayette tomorrow. Another nice and warm one, mostly sunny skies, and that humidity edging ever so higher. And as we go down the road, there's the rain chances for Saturday, maybe a little bit more Saturday night into Sunday. And then going into next week, it looks like the summer doldrums trying to kick in with highs approaching 90 and overnight lows. A couple of days next week in the mid-70s, and that's probably where the dew point will be, which is very uncomfortable.
Yeah, summer-like.
Yes.
We'll get used to it. We
We don't have a choice.
We have no choice, right?
Thanks, Rob.